Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about histogram chart. With this chart we can divide things in different categories. For example, here I have my account managers. I can divide this from lowest to highest in different categories. So I want to divide this in 3 categories. So I just select this, after that I just come here to insert, and here I select this one. You can see I have divided in 3 categories. The lowest, you can see 5 people located here in lowest points, and here we have 7 value, and from here I can change the style, different styles. And see I have these numbers also. We have 5 people in this category, 7 people in this category, and 1 person in this category. So it's very helpful. And here when I click here, from here I can change the categories, the bins. I can add another bins. Just double click here, you can see here number of bins. When I click here I can change it to 7. Enter. You can see I have added like 4 more bins, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 bins. So I just change back to, so when I come here and just click on this automatic, so it will go back to the previous one. And another example, I just come back to data, and here I select few cells from the total, and I come here to insert, and here I select this one. You can see here, and here I have more data, more bins. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bins. Here I can change the style. From here I want to have less bins. Here I have around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bins, so I just click here. After that I just come here, and you can see number of bins. I just want to have 3 and enter. You can see from here we can customize it, and when I go to automatic, it go back to the previous one. So that's it about histogram chart. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.